Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink Bloom Nutrition Greens. To start, simply take 1 scoop of your Bloom Greens powder. Add it to a glass with 8 to 12 ounces of cold water. You can stir it well with a spoon, or for a smoother consistency, use a shaker bottle. Make sure it's fully dissolved before drinking. It's best to enjoy it right after mixing to get the most out of its fresh ingredients. If you're looking for different ways to enjoy your Bloom Greens, try blending it into your morning smoothie. This is a fantastic way to boost your nutrient intake without altering the taste too much. Another option is to mix it with your favorite juice, like apple or orange juice, which can make the flavor more palatable. You can even stir it into yogurt or oatmeal for a quick, healthy addition to your meal. For an even better experience, consider using a small frother to mix your Bloom Greens. This helps achieve a super smooth texture and prevents any clumps from forming. If you find the taste a bit earthy, a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can really brighten it up. Remember, consistency is key. Drinking your Bloom Greens daily helps support your digestive health and overall well-being. Incorporating Bloom Greens into your daily routine offers several benefits. Regular consumption can significantly support your digestion and contribute to more natural energy levels throughout the day. These greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, providing a comprehensive boost for your overall health and wellness. Also, for those looking to streamline their healthy eating, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Be sure to check the description for a link to these containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.